Hi there, I'm Belinda Kirkpatrick. I'm a naturopath and a nutritionist, and I've spent over 15 years in clinical practice. One of the patient populations that I see really frequently is women who are going through the menopausal transition. So whether that's that they're in perimenopause or postmenopause, one of the most common things they come and chat to me about is skin. Now, call it vain, call it whatever you like, but skin is something that many women really want to look after as we're going through our lives into middle age and beyond. Some of the most common kind of skin issues that start to come up around this time might be wrinkles, saggy skin, dry skin, breakouts, and even rosacea. So hot flushes can really trigger rosacea in many women. Now, one of the issues and reasons behind our skin concerns at this time of life is that falling estrogen levels combined with unchanged testosterone levels can really affect the texture and condition of our skin. So what I thought I'd do today is to give you some tips and tricks of things that you can be doing at home to really help to improve the health, the look, and the vitality of your skin, okay? So skin becomes drier and thinner postmenopausally as collagen production declines. So we're really wanting to look at collagen in ways that we can kind of boost that. There's also a natural slowing of skin turnover with age, and that can exacerbate healing and also delay dryness as well. So it is absolutely the time to get into a really good skincare regime. Doesn't need to be expensive, it just needs to be one that's good for your skin and works for you. Changing your pillowcase more frequently is quite a good idea. So our pillowcases actually harbour bacteria, and our skin has its natural microbiome balance, or its good bacterial balance. And we want to make sure that what we're lying our face on for 8 hours every night is something that's clean, so we don't upset the bacterial balance of our skin. Speaking of bacterial balance, our skin is also really closely connected to our gut health. So we want to definitely keep our gut health happy and healthy by ensuring that we're having lots of leafy greens, lots of fiber, lots of nuts and seeds in the diet, and maybe even considering a probiotic as well. The diet that's been shown to be the best for skin health is the Mediterranean diet. So think lots of oily fish, olive oil, nuts and seeds, lots of vegetables, fruits, legumes. Those types of foods are really anti-inflammatory and beautiful for skin and gut health. If you can, minimize alcohol and coffee. Sorry guys, those things really do exacerbate dryness and can really change the texture and plumpness of your skin. The next one, which I'm sure you'll all be aware of, is sugar. Now, sugar is one of the worst things we can be doing for our skin. I know, another inconvenient truth. Now, sugar actually causes these things to be made in our bodies called advanced glycation end products. Sorry for all the science. And these things, the nickname of that, or the first letter of every word, is actually AGES, like ages. So sugar actually ages skin. And what these advanced glycation end products do is kind of stick parts of the skin together, makes it less supple, more prone to wrinkles, and less vital, and looks like it's less plump. So the more sugar that you're having in your diet, you're really going to notice that in your skin. And for those of you who followed a reasonably low sugar, healthy diet for longer, will often notice that actually your skin is in a lot better condition to some of your counterparts. If we're looking at supplementation, collagen is my #1 for skin health. I personally get to work each day, add a big tablespoon of collagen powder into my morning cup of tea, herbal tea, regular tea. Some people put it into coffee if you're a coffee drinker, or water. So collagen's really important for boosting that plump look of the skin. Personally, I've found that since I've been doing it, which has been for a couple of years now, I actually don't even get those wrinkles or those like pillow marks that I used to get from sleeping on my pillow, and nothing else has changed. So I really do think that it makes a really big difference in skin. And it's not just me, research backs it up, and lots of of my clients as well. So it's really easy to do and fairly kind of budget friendly too. If you are getting breakouts, as I mentioned earlier, the unchanged estrogen and higher testosterone can actually lead to a bit of a state of testosterone dominance in menopause, which is kind of crazy when all of the hormones are actually declining. Research has shown that 2 cups of spearmint tea a day can really help to kind of sort this out. The other herbal tea I often recommend is nettle leaf. Really beautiful for helping with the liver and helping again that skin. It's got some silica in there, which is also great for skin health. You could have in the day 2 cups of nettle, 2 cups of spearmint, just mix the tea bags together, maybe put a scoop of collagen in each one, and you'll have a beautiful skin health thing that you can be doing every day, and you will start to see the benefits over time. Protein. Are you getting enough protein? Menopausal and postmenopausal women often don't get enough protein in their diets. We need to be getting at least 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. I don't want you to weigh and measure everything, and we'll do another video about that soon, but it's really important to make sure that you're not low in protein. The final one, which seems too easy and good to be true, is water. Are you hydrated? You need to be getting at least 30 mils of water per kilogram of body weight. So if you weigh 70 kilos, you need at least 2.1 liters of water every day. Now, every cup of tea, coffee, and alcohol is like minus a glass of water with its diuretic effect. And if you're doing lots of exercise or sweating profusely, you need to add extra as well. Another one of the symptoms, just by the by, of menopause can be brain fog. And research has shown that even a 2% decrease in hydration, so it's what we call really, it's not even a clinical dehydration, but that can actually affect our brain function. So you might get more foggy thinking, difficulty kind of finding words, memory loss, just from the tiniest little bit of dehydration. So really try to work out how much water you need, add that amount into a drink bottle, and try to get through it each day. So I hope these tips really help you to support your skin health so that you know what you can be doing at home to get the very best, healthiest looking skin into middle age and through. See you soon, guys.